Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to set up the Cronos application and setting up a Cronos account. So what we're going to do is launch the Cronos app. If you have not already downloaded and installed it, if you're on an Android device, you're going to look it up in the Google Play Store and install it through there. If you're on an iPhone, of course, you're going to go through the App Store. But once we have the Cronos app downloaded and installed, we're going to launch it for the first time. And the idea with this new Cronos app is that it's more straightforward to get signed up and get an account, get things going. You don't need a seed phrase. For instance, we're going to be linking this up through either a Google account or you can continue with passkey. But for this example, I'm going to log in with Google. Then I need to select a Google account that I can use to continue to Cronos. So I'm going to select this Google account right here. Then to confirm Google access so I can sign in to Cronos, what I need to do from this page is click continue. After that, you can set a 6-digit passcode, so you can enter that in right here. Next, I'm going to enable biometric so I can log in using my fingerprint in the future, make it a little bit easier. Then next, you're going to select your interests from the list that's given here, and this is just going to better curate the app around your specific interests. So go ahead and look at these and select anything that you have interest in, and then you can click on where it says Build My Feed. And after selecting my interests, I'm going to click Build My Feed. And that takes us into the Cronos app. It's recommending that we top up our account with funds. And if you'd like to do this, you can click top up. You can enter in how much money that you would like to top up your account with. And then you can select whether you want to top it up with a debit card, Venmo, PayPal, Google Pay, Revolut, credit card, or an instant automated clearinghouse. So you have a lot of different payment options there, which is always great. And from the homepage of the Cronos app, you can explore different assets through the homepage right here. You can take a look at the Markets tab, with the option of looking through stocks as well as crypto and commodities, all through these tabs at the top, whatever you're interested in. And if you'd like to search for a specific asset, you could do so in the search bar down here towards the bottom. Important to note, stock trading or anything else that's not available in your region, it'll show up when you're trying to trade that particular asset. So I live in the United States, which isn't going to have access to stock trading, at least at this point in time. So let's say I wanted to look up Tesla stock. So I'm going to search that, select Tesla, and then we can see at the bottom, trading unavailable in your region. So if you're looking for any particular asset and it's not available in your region, then you won't be able to trade it and it will show up like this. But if I wanted to look up a cryptocurrency, for instance, such as CRO, looking up Cronos, and then I can see that I have access to this. I would need to top up my account first, but then I could trade this crypto asset right here through the app. And when it launches and it's available, the predictions market will be down here in the predictions tab. And if you want to take a look at your account settings, just click on the little profile icon here in the bottom right-hand corner. From there, it'll have your funding and top-up options, as well as if you need to get in contact with customer service, or you can go deeper into your settings with this little gear here in the upper right-hand corner. And from there, you can personalize the name that's on your profile and change other information from there inside of your account settings page. That'll wrap this one up. I hope it was helpful, quickly walking you through how you can set up the Cronos app through your smartphone and how to easily make an account through it. That's one of the biggest things they focused on with this particular on-chain app, is having an ease of access to log in very quickly, set up account very quickly. And personally, pretty impressed with how seamless it felt, linking things up, creating this Cronos account and having it set up with that Google login, and then also being able to use my biometrics to sign back into the app. But that'll bring us to the end here. I appreciate you guys stopping by and consider subscribing for more content in the future.